Hi, welcome to iSpeak's PowerPoint tips and tricks. Today's module is called Slide Masters. Have you ever seen a file that's only 3 slides large and yet 8 or 10 megabytes large? Why does that happen? There's no pictures, there's no videos. Why is this file so large? It could be that there are multiple unused master slides within that file. How does that happen? Many people in their presentations, when they start a presentation, open up an old file. We all do it. You do file save as, and you save that file as a new file name. When you do that, it brings in all the slide masters and copies it forward. So if that slide master had 3, 4, 5, I've even seen 20 slide masters in it, you're starting with a template with 20 slide masters. How do we fix all this? How do we fix things like slide 3 of Y in that lower left corner? Or where it says confidential, and I've even seen it says confidential overlapped on top of another confidential. Or a company logo that's not in the right position and is constantly in the way while we're trying to edit our slides. This is where the slide master comes in. To get to the slide master in your PowerPoint deck, you go up to View, Slide Master on the menu bar. I'm going to do it now. We go up to View. We go over here to where it says Slide Master. That is totally going to change the view of where we are. First thing I do is I go over here to the far left and I expand that side of the window so that I can see all of the submasters within this file. I'm going to scroll all the way up. You'll notice that if I try to change this confidential or slide 3 of Y, it won't let me. Why? Because I'm on a sub slide. I need to scroll all the way to the top on the very first slide. This is where I'm going to be able to edit slide 3 of Y. This is where I'm going to be able to edit or delete the confidential if I want it. This main slide, the top slide in the slide master, is where I'll make changes. Let's say I want to add a company logo. This is where I would add that logo and I would position it where I would want to position it. Now, once I've finished with that, I'm going to scroll down through this list and I'm going to see if there's any sub slides that I don't need. For example, here's one with these portfolio layouts. If I don't anticipate needing this, I can select this sub slide, hit the delete key, and I've now removed it from the file. The pro and the con of this, the pro is it will reduce the size of my file. The con, that layout is no longer available for future use. So be careful when you delete the sub slides because they won't be available in the future. Now I'm going to keep scrolling down through this file and you're going to notice that I have a second master down here. Now where's that being used? If I hover over that master, it's going to tell me that that master is used by no slides. That's a safe indication for me to be able to click on that master, hit the delete key, and all of those subslides, that master and all of the subslides are now removed from this file, freeing up space. When I'm finished making all of the changes to this master slide, I'm going to come up here to close the master view, or I could go to View and simply go back to the normal view. Either way will work. I'm going to be back at the normal view. I can crunch back that left side back to the thumbnails, and that's where we access and how we exit out of the slide master. iSpeak offers a variety of public speaking and enhanced communication workshops. We hope you are able to attend one of our sessions. Please connect with us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We look forward to seeing you in an instructor-led or a virtual-led workshop.